In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install macOS Monterey on VMware Workstation. All required link for macOS download is on the description. Open this link. This link is available on description. It is Unlocker. Follow this step. Download this software. When you download Unlocker, close your browser. I download these two software, macOS Monterey and also Unlocker. Link of these two software is on the description. First time when you install VMware Workstation, it is not support macOS. Right click on Unlocker, extract all, extract, install Unlocker. Yes, I have already installed Unlocker. Just click on page, then close it. When you install Unlocker, open VMware Workstation. If you don't have VMware Workstation, I have separate video for this. You can find on the description. Create a new virtual machine. Select typical requirement. Next. Again, I will install operating system later. Next. When you install Unlocker, you will see here Apple macOS X. Select Apple macOS X. Then click in this list box. Here you can find different version of macOS. We want to install macOS Monterey. It is Mac 12. Next. Write any name you want. Next. It required a T gig. Select store virtual disk as a single file. Next. Finish. Edit virtual machine settings. Click here. RAM is 4 gig. If you have, you can select more than 4. 4 is also enough. Processor, I want to select 3. If you don't have, you can select 2. 2 is also enough. It is okay. Leave as default. Click on CD, DVD. Use ISO image file. Browse. Find macOS ISO. It is on download for me. Open. Okay. In this step, power on this virtual machine. Guys, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content and also hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. It is start to install macOS on VMware Workstation. This step will take a few moments. Select your language, then click in this arrow. Select disk utility, continue. Select first disk, then click on erase. This disk is around 85 GB. Write one name, macOS. APFS is macOS format. Erase. Done. Now close it. Select install macOS Monterey. Continue. Continue. Agree. Click in this hard disk icon. Continue. This step will take around 20 minutes. It is depend on your hardware. Please wait. This step will take around 29 minutes. Select your country, then continue. Again, continue. Accessibility, not now. Data privacy, continue. If you have information on other Mac or Windows PC, you can transform it to this Mac. I don't have, not now. Apple ID, I don't have. Set up later. Are you sure? Yes. Terms and conditions, agree. Agree. Full name, it is Mac. Account name, I want to write Mac. Your password, verify password. Hint, continue. Creating account. Enable location services, I don't need. Continue. Yes, I am sure. Select your time zone, then continue. Analytics, continue. Screen time, continue. I want to select light one, it is as default, continue. Now we successfully installed macOS on VMware Workstation. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.